Hello guys, welcome to Jaybest Tech TV and welcome to Evolutionary Series on Jaybest Tech TV, a playlist where I upload tech evolutionary videos every Wednesdays. So if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Please do it to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. On today's video, we are looking at the evolution of Huawei watches, starting from the year 2015, the latest one we are having in the year 2022. Like I said, if you are new here, do it to subscribe to this channel for more videos on tech evolutionary series and for more videos on tech reviews in the near future. So that's it much. The best guys. Let's explore.
Yeah.